Hi and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to color grade in DaVinci. This is meant to be for beginners, so if you're a beginner in DaVinci, I think this video is for you. I'll show you the simple color grading. Now just select your clip, go to color, and over here make sure that you are in the color wheels. Over here you can change, for example, the temperature. I will reduce the temperature a bit to make this cinematic film. Increase some shadows, decrease, of course, add some contrast, and also reduce temperature to make this bird pop out. And play with these wheels, with these buttons, and see what fits for you. I hope this will help you for your for some of your basic projects. To see the difference, you can see over here, I will bypass, enable and disable color grading. As you can see, the bird is looking a little bit more sharp. Thanks for watching. Leave the comment below if you think this was helpful to you, and see you in some other video. Bye bye.